Last time on Titley's Lost Kitchen, it was quite nice hearing our dog
Blah,
panel
blah, blah.
on
Skip
that.
the intro.
This time in Titley's Lost Kitchen, I'm going to show you some Thai spiced pork. And if you've come here looking for an exotic sex lesson, you're in the wrong place. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add in 2 finely chopped shallots, 3 finely chopped cloves of garlic, and an inch of fresh ginger finely chopped. And stir fry for about 2 minutes. After a couple of minutes, add in 500 grams of minced pork. Break up the pork. Now stir fry and keep breaking up the pork until everything is a lovely golden brown colour. Dooby dooby doo 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 doo. The reason I'm singing this little song is to see if YouTube picks it up as some kind of copyright infringement. This is looking quite good, so I'll add in a heaped tablespoon of Thai red curry paste, a couple of tablespoons of Thai fish sauce, and a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Mix well and stir fry for a couple of minutes. Now add in 4 chopped plum tomatoes. Mix well. Season with pepper. And continue cooking for about 5 or 6 minutes. Finally, stir in a couple of tablespoons of fresh coriander and then serve. Serve on a bed of boiled egg noodles. I've done quite a few other Thai recipes and I've put them all together in a special playlist for you called Me Love You Long Time. Join me next time in Titley's Lost Kitchen with me, Titley Hahn. Until then, Khuda Hafiz.